Grounding and Bonding in National Electrical Code, Article 250. Welcome to the Electricity Forum Training Institute, or EFTI, a trusted leader in electrical training for the North American power industry. Since 1986, we've trained more than 60,000 electrical professionals to work safer, smarter, and in compliance with today's complex electrical safety codes and standards. This 12-hour instructor-led course explores NEC requirements for grounding and bonding in industrial, commercial, and institutional power system. Students gain practical interpretation of Article 250 and related NEC standards to strengthen workplace safety and code compliance. What you'll learn: students will study an overview of NEC Article 250 grounding and bonding rules, grounding electrode systems including types, sizing, and required connections, system grounding configurations such as solid, impedance, and floating, bonding of enclosures, raceways, and equipment, common NEC violations with corrective solutions, and testing and inspection procedures under the NEC. This course involves lecture-based instruction and group discussions. Students will gain guidance on interpreting and applying NEC changes, review industrial and commercial facility examples, and strengthen their grounding compliance and troubleshooting strategies. Who should attend? This course is designed for electrical engineers, contractors, industrial and commercial electricians, inspectors, and compliance officers. This course comes with a grounding and bonding training CE code certificate, 1.2 CEU credits, 12 professional development hours, a 100-page electrical grounding handbook, course coupons, and PDF resources. Strengthen your NEC compliance knowledge and grounding practices. Register today for EFTI's Grounding and Bonding and the NEC course.